this thing to work. But here's the kind of not exhaustive but a long list of laws which should be let's process them one at a time. Okay, by the way, there are errors here. Okay, so if you find an error here and let me know before I come to that error. I'm gonna give you, we have a worksheet today, Hannah. I'm gonna give you 2 points on worksheet. Okay, so it's 10 points thing. If you'll get 2 extra points for it. Okay, if you figure out the error before I come to the error. Okay, raise hand, don't shout. Okay, raise hands and let me know. You figured out the error?
Sir, De Morgan's law the first one.
De Morgan's law का कौन सा part? Oh, this part. Oh, you are good. You are good. What's your name? इनका नाम ले लें, ठीक है? उनसे अब ID बता दें इनको. Okay? So she figured out the error. She gonna get 2 extra points on her first worksheet. क्या?
So double negation.
Oh, double negation. Where is it? Over here. Negation of the negation is equivalent to negation of P. This is, you are right. Yeah, this is also false. Who do I pick? Go ahead.
P and F is equal to
Which one?
identity law.
Identity may you are saying that P and F is P. This is also wrong. Yeah, you are right. Wow, I thought I made fewer mistakes than I did. Any other mistakes?
So negation, professor negation of negation.
ये हो गया. Someone already did it. Okay, I guess there are only 3 errors there, but we'll see if there are more. All right. Let's see this. The first one is commutative law, which says that P or Q. There's another one. You cannot get 4 points. You can only get 2 points. Okay. All right. For this quiz. Okay. Right. Commutative law says that there's no order between conjuncted or disjuncted statements. Okay, P or Q is same as Q or P. P and Q is same as Q and P. Okay, so that's what the commutative law says. There's no order. Associative law says that if you have the same operation, then you can put the parenthesis wherever you want. Okay, if you have P, Q, R and you have same operation, disjunction है दोनों जगहों पे, तो फिर you can replace the parenthesis. पहले P और Q कर लें या पहले Q और कर लें, whichever you want. That's fine. Okay, as long as it's the same operation. अगर operation different होगा तो we'll have a distributive law for that. Okay, make sense? Are we good? You seem lost. Are we good? Okay, cool. Distributive law says that if it's not the same operation, then the operation outside distributes. Okay, so ये distribute हो रहा है यहाँ पे कि ये वाला और वाला जो part है ना, this is going to be at both points now. Okay, distribute हो रहा है, 2 बन रहे हैं उसके. So P would be disjuncted with Q and P would be disjuncted with R. Okay, we'll distribute disjunction here, or इस case में we will distribute conjunction here. P would be conjuncted with Q or P would be conjuncted with OR. Okay, so that's distributive law. So again, the essence is that whenever you see a statement of one end of this law, you should be able to figure out what should be the other end. Okay, it should not be memorize करें इसको. It should be kind of instinctively in your brain that this is equivalent to this. We saw De Morgan's conditional says that if P then Q is equivalent to negation of P or Q. Okay, can anyone kind of explain why this is true? Why this makes sense? Why this conditional law makes sense? We have kind of in words talked about it. If you remember, I told you what Weckers-Leto statement is, right? What is a Weckers-Leto statement?
With the hypothesis is false.
With the hypothesis is false. Okay, so this is ये वाला जो part है ना, पहला part. This is when the hypothesis is false, है ना? So this is saying that when hypothesis is false, you have P. If P then Q is true. And the second part says when the conclusion is true, you have if P then Q. Okay, so this is just Negation of P is the case when your statement is vigorously true, or Q when your statement is trivially true. Okay, there are two ways to have your statement. Have a conditional statement true. Okay, and these are the two parts. Okay, I hope everyone can see this. Yeah. Sorry, what? I'll come to it. Just a moment. You're saying that this is wrong? So someone already claimed it. Okay. Sorry, but yeah, you're right. Good to spot it. All right. Negation of this thing would be negation of this thing, which is we already know by the De Morgan's law. Okay. You would have to negate P, and the negation of P is just P. Okay. And you would have to negate Q, which is here, and you would have to negate the operator. Okay. Awesome. Biconditional says that it's just the definition of biconditional. Okay. P biconditional Q is just if P then Q, and if Q then P. This is the definition of it. Identity law is wrong here. It should be that P and false should be false. Okay. या फिर ऐसा होना चाहिए कि P और F should be P. Okay. किसी कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन के साथ आप डिसजंक्शन करेंगे किसी स्टेटमेंट के को तो you'll get that statement. Okay. Domination says that P dominates tautology when you are doing disjunction, and F dominates. Oh, hold on a second. This one is wrong. You guys didn't figure out this one.
You said not to tell you.
Sorry, what?
You told me not to tell you the Rakan.
Oh, okay. Okay, you already got 2 points for it, but yeah, you're right. So this one is wrong as well. Over here you want conjunction. Okay? If you have P conjuncted with a contradiction, you would get a contradiction. Okay? Because this part is always false, right? किसी statement को किसी false statement के साथ आप end करेंगे तो you would definitely get a false, right? For conjunction, you need both parts to be true. Awesome. Double negation is, it should be just P. Idempotent says that if you disjunct a statement twice, you get the same statement. If you conjunct the same statement twice, you get the same statement. Okay? Cool. You're going to have to use these laws to find equivalences of statements. Okay? Here's the corrected version of, I think, all of them. Is everything corrected here? Last time मुझे याद है यहाँ पे correct version में भी कुछ गलती थी. I don't know if I corrected it. Yeah, I think things look fine. Yeah. Okay. So truth table के साथ तो आप कर सकते हैं इसका, but logically you should also be able to see why these are true. Okay. Yeah, and practice, I guess. Okay. Okay, so see, the first law says that when you have disjunction between two statements or conjunction, उनका order matter नहीं करता. But when you are evaluating a complex statement, the order matters. कि कौन सा part आप पहले evaluate करें. Okay, you'll have to evaluate. सबसे पहले आपको क्या evaluate करना पड़ेगा? Whatever is in the parenthesis. Okay, और उसके बाद negations, और उसके बाद conjunction and so on. Okay, nice. Okay.